So if you've been getting subscribers and you don't know who has subscribed to you, in this video I'll show you how to see a list of every single person who has subscribed to your channel. First, if you are in the YouTube Studio beta, then you need to click the bottom left corner where it says Creator Studio Classic. This is just the only way I've been able to find it right now. So click that and just click skip. Next, in the left-hand panel, you want to click Community and then click Subscribers. This will show you a list of everyone who subscribed to your channel, and there you go. Super quick video, but I just wanted to give you that tip. This was a question from Jan. I'll leave a link to her YouTube channel in the description box below so you can check out her art. It's just so pretty and I love it, so I think you'll love it too. Make sure to like and subscribe, and if you have a question on how to do anything with Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, or things like that, or different social media platforms, definitely leave a comment below. And if you want to learn how to grow or build a product line for a business, for your business, go to ladymora.com/biz.